Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. If you have any questions today after the call, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. So attachment number 8, remember, when you're calling your prospects and customers, don't attempt to figure out the best time to call. Sometimes we sit around thinking, gee, is it good to call here? Is it good to call there? Is it good to call during lunch, after lunch? Don't figure out the best time to call. Get on the phone now or you won't reach anybody. Why? Because again, I just went over the telephone messages with you. I mean, if you call and you get their voicemail, leave that telephone message. So don't sit around trying to figure out the best time to call somebody. Mainly, it's because everybody's different. They all have a different schedule. Okay, so don't figure out the best time to call. Get on the phone now or you won't reach anybody. Do you have any questions about today's call, or more specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Thank you for joining me today on my Tuesday conference call. Again, I'll take care. God bless. I'll see you all again next week, same time. Take care, God bless, and goodbye.